Stupid dog just went charging into a skunk. I mean, you'd think he'd learn. Got him right in the face. Stay away from me. You stink. You're dumber than a box of rocks. This is like the 6th time. Yeah. You're like an object lesson for whole sections of our society. I won't name names. Maybe it won't stink a second time around. There he goes. The exact direction I was getting ready to go to. Yeah, come on. That's just great. And here goes Pepe Le Pew. Yeah, you might need some water or something. Alright, we better go back. I don't know what to do for you. You dummy. Having trouble breathing? Come on. Let's go to the pond and get you some water. Stinky dummy. I'm not going to go that way. I'm going this way. Because you stink. Come on, let's go to the pond. Come on.